Nibbles, a tiny squirrel with shiny fur and a bushy tail, perched on a low tree branch. He looks up at the tallest tree in the forest, surrounded by colorful flowers and other squirrels gathering nuts. Nibbles loved to climb the tallest trees and imagine flying like a bird. One day, a strong storm swept through the forest. The wind howled, and the trees swayed dangerously. A little bluebird's nest, with 3 tiny chicks inside, was blown onto a high, shaky branch. The mother bird chirped helplessly from the ground, "I'll help," Nibbles declared, though the branch looked scary and the wind was still blowing hard. The other animals whispered, "Nibbles is too small. How can he help?" But Nibbles didn't listen. He dashed up the tree, his tiny paws gripping the bark tightly. The branch wobbled, but Nibbles bravely reached the nest and carefully pushed it back to safety in a sturdy crook of the tree. The mother bird chirped joyfully, and the forest cheered for Nibbles. From that day on, everyone in the forest knew that even the smallest creature could do big, brave things.